In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to swiftly and easily cancel reservations and mark rooms as not available on your Wix Hotels platform. This process is smooth and straightforward, and you will gain valuable insights after finishing this tutorial. Let's commence this tutorial by accessing your Wix Hotels platform first. Start by navigating your way to your dashboard. Your dashboard is the control center where you can manage all your settings and preferences. To find the dashboard, look for it on the main page of your Wix Hotels platform. Once you're on the dashboard, your journey to canceling a reservation begins in earnest. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and locate what we need for this process. Next, veer your attention towards the Hotels tab, which is present directly on your dashboard. The Hotels tab is where all hotel-related activities are managed and operations controlled. It is your go-to stop for any adjustments or edits you would want to make related to your hotels. Once you've found it, gently click on the Hotels tab, and this will guide you further into the inner settings of your hotel options. Simultaneously, the next layer that you need to access will emerge, which is the Reservations tab. Located just a click away, inside the Hotels tab, entering the Reservations tab will lead you closer to canceling that reservation. All your current, past, and future reservations of the hotels are managed inside this tab. Therefore, without further ado, select and click the Reservations tab. Inside the Reservations tab, you will find a calendar reflecting all your existing reservations. To find the specific reservation you wish to cancel, you need to browse through the place marks on the calendar. On spotting the reservation, go ahead and click on it. The Reservation tab isn't just handy for canceling the reservations. It also provides a documented overview of all booking activities related to your hotel. Accompanying the reservation, you should be able to locate a Reservation Status drop-down menu. This particular menu allows you to alter and manage the status of your reservations. To access this, click on the drop-down menu. Constructing our journey towards the end of this tutorial, the next step is to find and select Canceled from the drop-down menu. This option enables you to officially cancel the booking on your platform. Remember, as soon as you cancel the booking, it will reflect in your system and update the changes across all boards. After selecting the canceled status from the drop-down menu, make sure to secure the changes. To ensure this, head on to the final step of this process, which is appropriately saving your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page or menu. A gentle click on this button will finalize your cancellation and make the room unavailable for the period of the particular booking. And just like that, you have successfully canceled a reservation and marked the room as not available on Wix Hotels platform. This tutorial is aimed at making this process a cakewalk for you, and I hope that was achieved. Thank you, and see you in our next tutorial.